Today I'm going to teach you how to change the language in Google Forms. This is incredibly useful if you're creating surveys or questionnaires for an international audience, or simply need to work with forms in a different language than your default setting. First, you'll need to open your web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. Once the page loads, sign in using your Google account credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has access to the form you want to modify, as this is essential for making any changes to your forms. After logging in, you'll land on your Google Forms dashboard. Here you'll see a section labeled Recent Forms, which displays all the forms you've created or recently accessed. Take a moment to locate the specific form whose language you want to change, then click on it to open it up. This will bring you to the Forms editing interface where you can make various modifications. Once your form is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice a three-dotted menu icon there. Click on this icon to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select Translate. This option is specifically designed to help you change the language settings of your form, making it accessible to speakers of different languages. After clicking Translate, you'll be taken to a translation interface. In the upper right panel of this new screen, you'll see an option labeled Detected Language. This shows the current language that Google Forms has identified for your form. Next to this, you'll find another three-dotted menu icon. Click on it, and from the options that appear, select Choose Another Language. This step opens up the language selection process. A drop-down menu will now appear, displaying a comprehensive list of available languages. Scroll through this menu and select your preferred language from the options provided. Google Forms supports numerous languages, so you should easily find the one that suits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click Done to confirm your choice and apply the new language setting to your form. And that's it. You've successfully changed the language in your Google form, making it more accessible and user-friendly for your target audience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.